Okay, so our next construction here is a parallel line through a point. So if you remember with this construction, all we did was first we wanted to draw a line through that given point and through the given line. So we're just going to draw a line here. It goes to the point and the given line. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take our compass, and we're going to put the center of the compass on that point of intersection right here where the two intersected. So we're putting a compass center right there at that point of intersection. Now what we're going to do is draw a quick arc across both those lines. So let's go make it 72 degrees. Sounds good. Alright, so we'll draw an arc here that goes across those two. Then what we're going to do is we're going to come up and we're going to draw the same arc on that given point and through this line that we got here. So we're going to draw that arc there. So now that we have those two arcs, what we want to do is we want to find the distance between this point of intersection here and this point here. Then we're going to duplicate that distance up here. So what we're going to do to find that distance, we're going to take our compass, put the center on that point there, and then we're going to find a distance that hits this other point down here. Let's see, about right there. So 86. So what we're going to do is come up here and we're going to do this. And with your compasses, guys, all you're going to do is just find a hole that lines up from that point to that point. So the center on one point and then a hole on the other. I'm going to come up here, go to this point of intersection, and I'm going to draw an arc here that intersects. So now what I've done is I've found that same distance up here as it is down here. So all I need to do from here is draw a line that goes through both this point and that point, and that line should be parallel to my original line. Take a look. They're not parallel, they're very, very close to being parallel. So this line here is parallel to that line there. And that's it. So you construct a parallel line for the point. So let's recap real quick. This was step 1, draw that line. Step 2 was to draw these two arcs. Step 3 was to duplicate this distance from here to here. That duplicated distance from there to there. So that's part of step 3 there. And then step 4 was to draw this parallel line. And that's it. Those are the 4 steps to doing a parallel line through a point.